Hey there! Today we're unboxing something very special. And with the 50 series cards are there. But the problem is with them that only a handful of people are actually getting those GPUs at the MSRP, and other ones who are actually afraid of FOMO are actually paying like 2, 3, 4 times the price for the GPU for what it's actually worth. And this is the only GPU that, in my opinion, you can get for MSRP. Okay, we have GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super, and in my opinion, it's the best thing that you can get for the MSRP right now, which is actually $100 less of MSRP converted to actual day-to-day prices. So I think it's a good deal if you have like intention of having a good 4K gameplay, for example 4K on high with no ray tracing, Elden Ring's gameplay with 85 FPS. This card can handle it, and it can handle it quite good. Without further ado, quite nice packaging, very simple. What do we have here? Please use 2 individual PCA cables from the power supply. Please don't use it if you can. Okay, the card itself. For one moment, let me put this to the side. Let's see what we have here. Here, package contents, GPU, and this system requirements, Windows, slot, and a monitor. Yeah. Well, I guess that's that. And let's see at the card itself. Love the sticker. And here we have. The radiator is not that small as I thought. I thought the radiator was smaller. Well, I think it's gonna fit in my build quite well. We'll see that. We'll see that in a moment. We have 1, 2, 3 DisplayPort outputs and 1 HDMI 2.1. I'm gonna use HDMI output because of my OLED TV that I'm using as a monitor and thinking that 42 inches is a monitor. Okay, now let's take out the plastic wrap. And this plastic wrap is excessive. There's a lot of it. I don't understand why they done it, but I guess they had their own reasons why they used excessive plastic wrapping. But sometimes I feel like oh, the back of it looks quite interesting. Well, at least for me, since I haven't seen 4070 Super. Satisfying. Now, to install the GPU, let's take out the glass. Let's open the brackets. Let's take out 2 slots. 1 slot, 2 slot. Let's take our new GPU and install it. Easy access. Of course. Opa! Nice! Nice, nice, nice. Screw the GPU in. Oh man. And the cable. The connection should be very, very, very good. How about this? Shall we? Good. Now is it going to turn on? Yes. Power. Power to the people. Ooh, and we got screen on already. There's no drivers installed, but as you see, it works. Oh, nice. Now the fans software returned. Okay, so in order for the cam to display correct LCD display, as you see, we need a GPU driver update required. Let's update the drivers then. And as you see, after driver installation, I got my display back. Yep. So that was the unboxing of the MSI Ventus 2X RTX 4070 Ti Super. Thank you for watching. Press like. If you have any comments about this video, comment down in the section and subscribe to this video. Bye!